Brought my lunch, Mom.
Come on, Alan. What'd you bring? A hamburger?
Yeah. I don't understand the pressure, I mean it. I'm self-driven like a Tesla, I seen it. They counted me out, I sat there and beat it. Now the whole world gotta sit there and see it. Trust me, this is not a flex. Woo. Promise that I am up next. Woo. I'm showing you how to turn the negativity into a personal check. Yeti, I'm blessed.
What's going on, family? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and following the page. Today, we've got a little bit of a little journey we're going on. We are just down the street from a place I call European Society Motorsports. I mean, they call themselves that too. So I'm not sure why I said that. But either way, guys, I'm super excited. We're gonna be heading down there and finally getting a carbon fiber lip installed on the E90 M3. So I'm excited because, as you guys remember, it won't come out.
Shit.
That kind of didn't work last time. But we are right down the road. Let's go ahead and head inside, say what's up to the guys, and make sure to give them a follow, by the way. Awesome people, European Society Motorsports on Instagram, and check out the website that I'll put below. All right, guys, see you in a second.
I understand that you're scared, man. But the world can be a scary place. You just gotta learn how to deal with it, alright?
Yeah, I seen you've been going to those meets, huh, in Gardena?
Yeah, dude.
How are those? I've been trying to go out there, but I just haven't had time.
Yeah, you know, they're pretty dope, bro. So I've been hosting my own, the one over at Krispy Kreme.
Yeah, that's the one.
That's the one, okay, yeah.
Off
so,
91, right?
That's right, exactly. They're pretty solid, bro. Like this past time we had a few E46 M3s. Dude, there was this gorgeous E46 M3. Well, technically it was a touring, but the guy did a complete conversion into an M3. So he had
What's his name?
You know, I didn't even have an Instagram.
He's
That's
an older
crazy
cat,
older
huh?
dude. And by the way, guys, if you are local South Bay, roll through. We had some guy come in from Ventura.
Ventura, that's the commitment right there.
That's some commitment
that's
right there. It's actually
right
the homeboy.
It's
right
actually
there.
that
He
guy
came
right there.
So, hey.
There's no excuse, just come by, you know.
Just feel free
it's
to
just
roll
about,
through.
you know, just the local meets that you come by.
right.
You know, look, this is chill. Do you see any cops here? Do you see cops here?
Oh yeah, that looks gorgeous, bro. Cool. Holy shit. Yes. Wow. Lewis, by the way.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Yes. Make sure
John.
everyone go give European Society Motorsports?
Society Motorsports.
European Society Motorsports a follow on Instagram.
Thank you.
They are. Look at this thing. Holy shit. This is going on the car finally.
Finally.
Proper, right? It's gonna be proper this time. That's insane. Wow. That's right. 100% fitment. I love it, man. I love it. Wow. Let's get the car in here. All right, guys. Lewis is awesome, and we're gonna go ahead and pull the E90. I'm so excited I can't talk. We're gonna pull the E90 M3 inside. This shop is next level, so I'm freaking out a little bit. But dude, Lewis, bro, hold up. Lewis, honestly, thank you so much, bro. This is crazy. First sponsor for the E90 M3, so I'm excited, bro, honestly, and I can't thank you enough, my dude. So, honestly, appreciate this. But yeah, guys, I'm stoked. We're gonna go ahead and pull the beast in. It looks like they might be blocking the entranceway, though, so that's all right. We'll go ahead and just give them a moment to adjust themselves, and we'll be in there in a moment, huh? Muffler, oh my god! Barbershop?
Wait, hold on here. Is this the barbershop? Is this the barbershop?
Yes, the shop.
Yes, it's the barbershop.
Yes.
Wait, I mean, we can't talk street in the barbershop. Then where can we talk street? We can't talk street nowhere else.
blown away. Like, it kind of, you know, reinvigorated my my hope in society being here at European Society Motorsports. It just shows me and reminds me that there are truly, honestly good people in the world. So I really, truly, again, want to thank Luis from the European Society Motorsports. I honestly can't thank him enough for the work he's done today. I also want to thank ABS Auto Body for installing it for completely free, by the way, and a free car wash. I have no words. Thank you guys so much. So if you guys are anywhere near El Monte, trust me, these guys are the guys you should be going to. ABS Auto Body, European Society Motorsports, they're the shit. The simple as that. That should be their slogan, we're the shit. Because I can't, you guys saw the garage. Again, I didn't want to show too much of it because I'm not going to be going into their business and stuff, but it's a beautiful shop. They do everything from auto body, modifications, alignments. They just do, you can just go in for a car wash. These guys do it all. So again, thank you so much. I'm happy to represent you guys. And wow, I guess that wraps up this vlog. I honestly have nothing else to say. It was truly just a genuinely fun experience. Just a heartening experience and a humbling experience because, wow, again, I have to be reminded that there are just genuine people out here. And the story that Luis told me about him and his E46 and his F82 was just incredible. So again, that'll be another video. Very excited. I hope, Luis, you're willing to do that because your story is incredible and very inspirational. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the little notification bell, you know, the whole gist. And again, thank you so much for subscribing, for following, keeping up with the Bavarians. Please, guys, stay legendary. See you next time.